So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Streamfire. Streamfire is this app right here on your Android box, the MXQ, or on your Android TV or any other Android device that you have. First of all, you need to install this app right here, the downloader, and you'll use the downloader to install the Streamfire app. On your Android box, go to search menu and click and type downloader. You need to have already logged in into your Gmail account on the box or on your TV. Then you'll have to go and click search. If this method doesn't work, you will need to go back to your apps right here, up there, home, apps, and go to your Google Play Store. And search, when you're here, search for downloader. Go to your search, search for this app right there, downloader. You type there downloader, and when it appears, you need to install it. You need to click the downloader and install. When you install, you can open it. And now to install Streamfire, you will need to type this code right here, 3514876. 3514876. You need to go to home and type 3514876 and then click go. It will redirect you to the Streamfire installation, and it will automatically install you the Streamfire app. With this app, you can watch all the TV shows from your diaspora, no matter which country you are in. You can watch all your favorite TV shows. You can watch all your favorite TV stations. You can watch games and sports on it. So you click install. It will install for you. And this is like a jailbreak. So I'll click done because it's already installed on my box. I already have it on my box. So if I go back to my home, you realize that I have it on this list, on this app list. It's right here, Streamfire, in the downloader. So the downloader helps you install the Streamfire, and from there you can now watch your watch your stuff. Hope you can see all the things you can watch. You can watch so many things. Wrestling, UFC, in these Sky Sports, you can watch so many type of games of your choice. You can always add the list because there's so many channels. So, well, welcome. And in the meantime, we have William bin Laden. Remember that guy? He's from Kenya. William bin Laden. Watch that one too. As we say, one time.